Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you the method I have for changing the glass of an aquarium. I won't fix a crack because it's too big. It goes all along everywhere, so I have to change the whole glass. I'm going to show you how I do this. This bottom glass covers all the bottom up to the side of the exterior side of the side glass. So in between the two glasses is here. Now to be able to separate these glasses, have to take off silicone that is on the inside, silicone that is on the outside, and also silicone that is in between both glasses. And to be able to do that, first of all, we have to take the silicone off that's inside and outside, and then try to find a way to get our knife, a very thin bladed knife, in between both glasses. Once we've been able to cut that silicone all along the way, then we will be able to move about these bits of glass that are broken, maybe even break them a bit more so I can take them off easier. That's the process to get this glass off. Okay, finished with that. And now what we have to do is clean all the surfaces where we're going to stick the new glass on. As you can see, these glasses have to be beveled and sandpapered so that you don't cut yourself while you're doing this kind of work. In these corners, I take off and remove at least 1 or 2 centimeters of the old silicone that is down the sides, because I want to replace that with new silicone. And I clean it as best as possible, the old silicone, so that the new silicone can stick to it well. Now, we must never use sandpaper or any kind of abrasive to get the silicone off, because sandpaper simply just scratches the glass and leaves a big scratch like this, and then you can never get it off. Now we have to clean it, take all these bits of silicone shavings out, wash it with detergent and scrape any leftovers of silicone. Now, before we stick the glass on, we must check first of all that we've got the right size, that it's perfectly square with the rest of the aquarium. The other detail we must verify is that we don't have any chips that might not fit perfectly with the surface. And frankly, here in this corner we have a chip there that we'll have to strengthen in some way. The same over here. And the best way I've found to strengthen those corners that are chipped is sticking a reinforcement there with a piece of glass. So before we start sticking, we should cut a square or approximately square bit of glass to stick it there in that corner, so this chip doesn't give way to a leak later on. The same over here. Okay? And before sticking the glass on, we must stick this bit of glass that was a bit loose and filling in the spaces here with silicone. Later we'll put some silicone on the other side also. Now, it's important to have a knife like this one, but a bit bigger, rounder. Maybe a spoon is better in this case. This is for smaller edges. This is for a bigger edge. This is for a bigger edge. This is for a smaller edge. In this case, I'm going to use this one. We have to go up the side a bit and then start . And with a spoon we fix it so it's more . Finalmente well, there we're ready. Finished all the parts we have to stick, and have to wait another 24 hours for it to dry out and cure appropriately, and then the owner can fill it with water. Well, the project finished. The bottom of the aquarium is being fixed, replaced, reinforced the corners where they had some weaknesses, and should last a long time now, unless someone hits it with a hammer or something. Well, I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave your comments there if you want some questions or anything, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.